any wish you wanted to fulfill before your marriage?
After within
Yeah.
26, do you have anything to accomplish?
I have resolution. You started this journey. After that, you decided to take session of English Yari, or earlier it was in your mind that firstly I will take session, then I will start practice. Communication skill if you build up, and after that you would like to try in any company.
No.
What's your plan
No.
next? So hello Pavi, welcome in my
I
class. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. How about you?
Yeah, all great. How you started your morning?
My morning, same routine. So I started with little breathing exercise. So this is how I start my day every day. So after that, I have a class on English Shari, so I attended that. After that, now I am here. Yes. How about
Do you
you?
do every day English Yari session?
No, week. I can say weekly 4 or 5.
Okay, 4 and 5. So how many session you purchased already?
I took 3 months subscription.
Oh, great. You started this journey. After that, you decided to take session of English Yari, or earlier it was in your mind that firstly I will take session, then I will start practice.
No, I started in my early stage too. After that, I connect with some people.
Sorry, we are meeting for the very first time. So yes, I forget seriously. Actually, I know your name, so I forget that to introduce ourselves. Okay, I think we have a round of introduction. So shall I start or you?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, so I am Reenu and I am connecting with you from a small district Ramgarh of Jharkhand. And professionally, I am an operational assistant in mining sector, and I have been working for the last 4 years over there. And if you ask me about my interest, I love dancing and traveling. And 3 months ago, I started a YouTube channel for the sake of improving my communication skill. And apart from that, I am mother of twins. That's my introduction in a nutshell.
Nice. Okay. Yes. My name is Pavitra. I'm from Tamil Nadu. Currently, I'm living in Chennai. I completed my degree BE in computer science. After that, I worked as a data entry operator for more than 3 years. And now I quit my job. I'm focusing on my communication skill. And when it comes to my hobbies, I enjoy reading books, drawing, gardening, listening to songs, sometimes watching movies. So this is a little bit about myself.
Oh, great.
So now
So
you can ask any question.
seriously, I dive into the conversation. I forgot about this roundup. So I wanna ask, like, why you quit your job? What was the reason?
Yes, actually, I last year I tried to get a job in IT. So for that reason, I quit my job. I studied some of the technical skills. So while pursuing some skills, I understand about my communication was very bad. So I started to work on my communication too. But unfortunately, I couldn't get better job over there. So I'm not satisfied with the salary. So again, I don't
Hmm.
want to go to any
Carry.
companies. So I don't like to do that for my lifelong. So again, I focus on my communication skills. So this is how it's going.
Okay, great. And after communication skill, if you build up, and after that you would like to try in any company.
No,
What's your plan
no,
next?
no, I don't want to try any jobs and company. First of all, I don't enjoy doing job in a company for lifelong. So I would like to prefer like learning English and I would like to teach. So this is what I really enjoy to helping the people who similar to me. They have some kind of limiting self belief, right? So if I'm helping someone to improve their communication, improve their personality, that would be more good, I feel. and I feel more satisfied in those
Yeah.
changes. Yes. Mm.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you tried your job in Chennai or somewhere else? It
Yes, in
was,
Chennai itself. Mm.
oh, that means you were able to get the environment in Chennai, the people are speaking in English.
Not like that. Here, nobody speaks English. I can say it is their hometown, right? Like here, we have a lot of Tamil people who are from other state. These people speak English or Hindi, but most of the Tamil people they prefer to speak Tamil only, not English.
Yeah, we visited, I think, 3 years back to Chennai. Actually, that place was Kanchipuram. Okay,
Mm.
so we were suffered a lot because we are not able to, we were not able to communicate with them. Most of the
Mm.
people they are speaking Tamil, and we were not aware. So we were not able to make them understand what that time we wanted. So yeah,
Mm.
but
So then, how did you manage?
what?
How did you manage
Yeah,
finally? Like,
we visited one mall. Okay, there was lots of lady staff. They were not able to understand Hindi and English, but other staff, male staff especially, they were able to understand. So they were making them understand. Yeah. So
mm.
how we were managed.
So
Yeah.
how is your English practice going on?
Yeah, it's on and off, but it's my second shift is going on, so that's why I am able to practice. Yeah. Which
Mm.
portion you finding yourself difficulties? My
Which?
information. In which portion you find
Mm.
yourself that you are struggling? Like
Mm.
I am telling you the
Yes.
portion that subject, verb, agreement. I am like I'm not good at that. While I am speaking, I commit mistake. So which portion
Mm.
do you struggle a lot?
Yes, I can say grammar because I don't like to study grammars, but it is again very important, very essential to speak good English. So again, to understand the concepts and of course, if you understand also the implementation again, it's become very bigger task for me to implement in my conversation. So I'm struggling with that. And other than that, a little bit about pronunciation. The words we are pronouncing right. Some of the words I had strong mother tongue NTA, so that is other thing struggling with that. So these two things I can say nowadays. Lot of stuff is there, but this is too is very prominent now for me. Mm.
Yeah. In grammar part, yeah, there are lots of things. If we are started to get into that, it's a very intricate. So
Mm.
yeah, only we should have follow those things which is daily useful most of the
Mm.
part. Especially, I think simple past is mostly used,
Mm.
and simple past and simple
I think
present.
present
I
tense.
present tense, yeah, simple present also. Yeah, so that portion and present still I make mistake, do does that kind of problem happens. Still I am facing. So while I
How
am
long
reading,
have you been learning?
what
How long have you been learning English?
you can say 7 months ago, passively I was watching and I started conversation through audio call. Okay, and you can say seriously we started communicate 3 months ago when we decided that we should open a YouTube channel so we would be very consistent.
Mm.
So since then we started, but still I'm not able to be consistent just because of my timing issue, my job issue. I'm not able to practice on a everyday basis. It's my problem.
Yes.
But still I am forcing myself to be consistent. But sometimes it's not up to in our hand. So that's the problem. Otherwise, it's
Yes.
going on very
Mm.
well. Yeah. So yeah, tell something about like, is there any wish you wanted to fulfill before your marriage?
My marriage, before my marriage, of course, I have plenty of wishes I have to accomplish before my marriage. The first and foremost thing is English. I should have the good command over English, so that is my first priority, I can say. And other
Wait a minute.
than
Wait a minute. Is there any sound disturbing you from outside? Now it's better, I
yes,
think.
yes, there is no noise.
Hmm.
Yes, I already said that, right? So I should have the good command over English, so that is my first priority. And I want to be financially independent. So before my marriage, and I should have a career. So I should stand in my own feet. So that is what I'm thinking about it. Because after marriage, it's again very difficult to focus on myself. So before that, I just accomplish some of my wishes before marriage. So it might be English. It should be English and a teaching class, and then like a good YouTuber. So these are my prominent things I can say. Yes.
Okay. And is there any small things like, something which makes us very happy? So is there
Mm.
anything you wanted to do but till date you didn't?
Small things.
Any small thing, sometimes it happens now, going outside doing something, it make us very happy. So that kind of things is there you wanted to do but still you didn't.
Yes, I have to explore some of the outside place too, but still I'm not going outside very often. Once in a while I go there, once in a blue moon I can say. So uh, I'm thinking about it. I have to go some malls or some places, even though small park also, but I'm not doing that. So that is what I can say. Any
Yeah,
wishes like to complete within this year after within
yeah.
26, do you have anything to accomplish?
I have resolution, first I took learned this language. Okay, second is bike riding. I am crazy about that. I wanted to ride bike, especially Royal Enfield. And third is swimming. That is the initially January I took a resolution that this year I wanted to accomplish, and let's see what happened.
Still now you are not even take any steps.
Tried to drive my car, okay, 2 3 times, but one time previous year I tried to drive bike of my husband with my husband, but my husband didn't allow me to go, on the road. It was in
Mm.
field,
Okay.
it was playground. So, but still
Mm.
I didn't get chance after that. It's my resolution. Before end of this 26, I will definitely do.
Good, good resolution.
Yeah. So, what do you think after marriage, people's life change completely? What's your thought about marriage and all that?
In which aspect are you asking? Like life means which area?
Everything, all the aspects, like according to you, how the life changed marriage, what kind of changes very often we are able to see and we are able to observe.
Yes, I can say yes, totally it will change because you have to shift to your the mother-in-law house, right? So it is not your own house, and you may face some kind of consequences because due to some conversation, this difficult conversation, I can say, maybe someone likes you, someone doesn't like you. So First of all, I should say like you should have the partnership support all the time, and not anyone else. Like this husband should always supports you, so that's much more enough. The partner should understands you, especially when it comes to female. So our life is totally changing after marriage. So it is again new journey, I can say. But as a girl, as a female, as a woman, we have the ability to adapt the new situations very easily. So we can
Yeah.
handle a lot of problems very well. When it comes to work environment, when it comes to finance, so if you are working person, that is good because the family members will give the respect based on your working, based on your personality, based on your skills. So if you're really good at something, you're earning good amount. So of course, there is nothing to think about other person, right? So
Mm.
you have your own freedom, and at the same time, your husband is supports you. Nothing need, right? So you can lead your life very happily. You can explore new places with your partner, and you can share a lot of things with him, even though you are not aware of some of the things. So both of them can learn, can grow in our life. I think the partner should be aligned with your energy. Partner should be
Mm.
good for you. That is what very important after marriage. But the environment totally changed. Everything changed. We should adapt to it, and we have to think about our own growth. Just
Yeah.
instead of thinking about the family members, you should have separate wish or desire to complete or completion our life, right?
Mm.
Otherwise, at the end of the life, you may feel like nothing. What I did, like that, you feel.
Yeah, exactly.